This is round 2, so we're gonna shoot him in the ass again.
Yeah, I'm not ready yet.
Hurry up.
Ready.
We're still recording.
I'm getting ready. Okay, still record. Oh crap, my phone.
Oh crap, your boxers.
Crap, my dick. Why are you zooming in, Ian?
I can't zoom in, you idiot.
Man, this is gonna hurt like a bitch.
Daniel's reloading his gun right now. This is
Stop!
Matthew. Matthew's afraid of the camera.
Just stop it.
What are you talking about?
Let's go!
Let's go,
Oh
bitch.
shit. Man, this is gonna hurt.
In the same spot, Danny.
Ah! Ah! Ah, shit! Right in the hole, man!
Hold on.
Ah! Ah, shit!
Hit the gooch.
Joe, this hurts! Ah! Ah! Ah, my ass!
Then why are you letting them shoot your ass? You must really love it.
I'm gonna die! Now let me pull up my pants.
You wanted to do it.
Yeah, you're sick.
Feel good, Timmy?
Oh, dude, ow, my ass stings. I'm gonna go check how many marks there are.
Let's have anal sex.
No.